Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine at home. Dear students, this is our fourth class for lesson plan for block 10. Dear students, what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is words with IE and IGH. And keywords for today's class: night, bright, fight, pie, tie, tight, sign, might. And resources: content book, notebook, workbook. And our agenda as usual: first we will go for questioning part, then discussion, after an activity, then worksheet, and then homework part. Students, now tell me, Jo, Mo, Boat, Ro, which sound you are getting? In previous class you have learnt about these words. Yes, we are getting O sound. Yes, like Jo, Bought, Ro. Which sound we are getting? We are getting O sound, but spelling of O sound is different. So today what we are going to do, we are going to learn about more sounds. Like here we are getting IE and IGH, we are getting the same sound like I, but these are also differently spelled. So today we are going to make new words by these letters. Students, this is our today's aim: to read, write and pronounce words with IA sound spelled with different vowel tones. As we did in previous class also, in previous class we made the words with O sound. Today we are going to make words with I sound. So this is our today's aim. Now it is action time. We are going to read a story about Mike and Pie. Open your content book, page number 11, Mike and Pie. Yes, students, now you will follow the text with your finger and I will read the story, and you can repeat the sentences after me. And parents, please pause the video wherever needed. Phonics story, Mike and the Pie. At night, Mike is sitting in the bright light in his room. He is watching a fight on TV. Mike is hungry. He gets a pie from the kitchen. His mother comes in. Mike smiles. He holds the pie tight in his right hand. "What do you have in your hand?" asks mother. Mike lies. He says, "I have a tie." Mother sighs. "You might have a tie, but you should never tell a lie. It is not right." Mike shows the pie to his mother. He promises he will never lie. Student, just now we have read the story. Are the sentences correct in the story? Right, sentences are correct. What are the naming and telling part in these sentences? For example, in this sentence, he is watching a fight on the TV. What is the naming part in this sentence and what is the telling part? Right, he is the naming part in this sentence, and is watching a fight on TV. This is the telling part in the sentences. Mike is hungry. Mike is the naming part, and is hungry is the telling part of this sentence. Who all are in the story? Mike and his mother. What Mike is doing in the story? Mike is watching a fight on the TV. He holds a pie in his right hand and he tells lie to his mother. Means he was having the pie in his hand, but what did he tell? He told that he is having tie in his hand. What did he hide from his mother? He hid the pie from his mother. What did he do in the end? He says sorry to his mother in the end. Students, now look at these words which I have written on the board. You will repeat these words after me. Night, bright, light, fight, pie, lie, tie, type, right, side, might. Student, now it is analysis time. Now I am going to ask some questions which are based on the activity. My first question is, what sound is the same in all words? What sound is the same in all words? All the words have I sound, I sound, like pie, lie, tie, bright, light, tight, night, fight. Which sound we are getting here? We are getting in all these words I sound. My next question is, students, which letters make the IE sound? I sound in these words bright, light, tight, night, fight. Yes, think about it. Students, the letter IGH make the I sound in these words. I sound. IGH. These letters are giving the sound I. Yes. So, which letters we are using here? I, G and H. We call them a letter team. IGH. There are three letters. We can call it letter team. When more than one letter work together, they are pronouncing only one sound. In a letter team, letters work together to pronounce one sound. Both the letter team, the IE and IGH, giving the IE sound. We are getting the IE sound with both these letter teams. In this E is silent and in this GH, they are not giving their own sound. So we are getting from both these letter teams the I sound. Now it is time for horse. How else can we make the IE sound? We can make the words by splitting the IE sound by putting one letter between I and E, like in pile. 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 What was our sound? This was IE. I sound we are talking about. Here we have put one more letter between I and E, and now we are getting the pile. I sound. Same how in bike, and so on. We can make many more words. Ride, hide, and so on. And the words which ends with I and D sound, like in kind, find, mind, behind, and so on. We are also getting here the IE sound. This IND word, KIND, ending with IND. Here we are getting the I sound, like kind, find, mind, behind, and so on. And short words which ends with Y, like sky, spy, fly, try. Here this Y is working as the vowel I, and we are getting the sound IE. Which sound we are getting here? I. Only in these words. Many times we are not getting the sound of Y like I, like in happy. If we are happy, it also ends with Y, but here we are not getting Y's I sound. We are getting I's E sound here. Happy. Many is also ending with Y. Here also we are not getting I sound, we are getting E sound here. So this how we can use the IE sound. Student, now it is application time. You will complete your S4, which is given on page number 13 in your workbook, and it must be completed within 10 minutes. Now open your workbook, page number 13, S4, words with IE and IGH. Fill in the blanks with IE or IGH. As you have completed your S3, same how you will fill this also. Like LIGHT, light. Next is fight. So this how you will, first you will look at the picture, then you will fill in the blanks by using IE and IGH. Now question number 2. Write one word for each of these letter teams IE and IGH. Question number 3. Make sentences with any two words from above. You will take any of the two words as your choice and you will write the sentences by using those words. So what is your today's homework? You will complete two practice questions 4 to 6 on page number 12 in your content book. Now move to summarization part. Students, what have we learned today? We have learned how to make, write and pronounce the words with I sound, which are made by IE and IGH spellings. Like with IE we have made pie, tie, and IGH, tight, fight, night, and so on. We can make many more words, and in these In these words, IE and IGH, these are two letter teams we have used, and these letter teams giving one sound, that is I sound. We have achieved our today's aim to read, write and pronounce words with I sound spelled with different vowel teams. Students, ready for your next class also, and resources for your next class, your content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.